promise the public we will not take advantage on this fuel crisis. Hindi kami kikita ng mahigit pa sa normal. And I'm willing to even lower the income. Baliwalain sa akin income. In fact, sabi ko nga kung gusto ng gobyerno, pwede nga ng gobyerno bilhin yung petron sa akin kung tingin nila mas magaling sila magpatakbo di ba? So, in short, you have my 100% cooperation na tutulungan yung mga kababayan natin. Salamat po.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, sorry, pahabol lang. Since nabanggit nyo, you're willing to lower the income, meron ba kaming expected?
Ibig sabihin ganito. Minsan, kahit na mas mataas yung pagkabili namin, kung yung market mababa, hindi bali na, sa sakripisyo na namin, bibili na namin yung mas mahal na crude. So, lilit yung income. Para lang siguradong hindi tayo ma-run out of crude oil, ganon.
How about rollback, sir? Meron kaya?
Ang presyo based on replacement value every day. So ngayon, kung tingin nyo, ibebenta mo at a loss, we can do that. Everybody can do that. Pero until when? After 1 month or after 2 weeks, bankrupt lahat ng oil company? Pwede rin yun kung yun ang tingin nyo mas mabuti.
Kasi may sinabi po si Senator Marcoleta yesterday na about 3 billion pesos a day daw po ang kinikita ng oil companies.
Not Petron. I am willing to open Petron books to COA, to public scrutineering. Wala po kaming gustong i-take advantage na kita, especially during the crisis.